I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and today's video is about internal parasites. Parasites can be a common reason for having health difficulties. You can get parasites from pets, from farm animals, from contaminated water or food, and it's important to rid yourself of any kind of parasitic contamination. Common symptoms of parasitic infection is weight loss, diarrhea, stomach pain, passing worms in your stools. It's important to get a diagnosis for the possible parasitic infection, and that is often and best done through a stool analysis. If you have parasites, there are many natural ways to rid the body of them. There are herbs that can help, like black walnut hulls. Also, garlic is a great therapeutic for ridding the body of worms. I think that boosting your immune system with supplements like vitamin C and Zinc is a great way to support the body to naturally remove the parasites. Also, fasting is a good way to support the body to rid itself of parasites. I recommend the Vit-Ra-Tox Kit for that kind of parasite removing fast. And then also taking the Optimal Health Network Enema series. It can be supportive of removing parasites, especially that reside in the colon. And that is a 3-step process whereby you cleanse the colon and support the colon to release the parasites and optimize its therapeutic qualities like the electrolyte balance and the mucosal lining, and also doing the coffee enema, so supporting the liver and the gallbladder to be efficient in removing both the parasites and the toxicity from the parasites. So if you're thinking that you have parasites because you have any of those symptoms, then we can definitely help you here at Optimal Health Network. You can reach out to us by going to the website or calling us at 608-242-0200, and we would love to support you to optimize your health. Thank you.